Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on open source software with Red Hat, full guide step by step clearly. Open source software offers numerous advantages, including flexibility and cost savings. Red Hat is a leading provider of open source solutions, offering enterprise-grade software. To start saving with Red Hat, first, identify your organization's software needs. Analyze the current software solutions you are using, taking note of licensing costs and functionality. Next, explore Red Hat's offerings, which include solutions for cloud computing, middleware, and container management. Visit the Red Hat website to browse their products and services tailored for various business requirements. Consider the benefits of using Red Hat Enterprise Linux, a robust operating system that supports a wide range of applications. Evaluate the possibility of migrating from proprietary software to Red Hat's open source alternatives. Review the Red Hat subscription model, which can help you predict costs effectively. Subscriptions often come with support, updates, and security patches, adding value to the initial investment. Look for Red Hat's certification programs, which can enhance your employees' skills and reduce reliance on external consultants. Engage with the Red Hat community to access resources, documentation, and participate in Red Hat's training and webinars to maximize your understanding and usage of their products. Consider leveraging Red Hat's open source tools for development and deployment to streamline processes and reduce costs. Take advantage of Red Hat's trial versions to test software before committing to a subscription. Check for any available discounts or credits for nonprofit organizations or educational institutions. Explore partnerships or collaborations that may offer additional cost-saving opportunities with Red Hat solutions. Lastly, continuously assess your usage and costs associated with Red Hat products to ensure they meet your organization's needs efficiently. By following these steps, you can effectively save on open source software through Red Hat. Implementing these strategies will help you leverage the full potential of open source while maintaining a healthy budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.